Hey guys, Anatoly here from Define Agile, and today in a very short tutorial I'll show you how to see all the issues, all the bugs, all the tasks linked to a particular epic. And I'll show you an easy way, and I'll show you a more advanced way that you might also use. So the easy way is every story that has an epic, you can click on it and see all the issues related to an epic. However, you not always see those. Maybe you'll have some epic that you don't remember any stories associated with. So let's take a first scenario. Here's the story number 2, and the epic is called to link to a story. All we need to do here is just click on a story, and you'll see an epic link. You'll just click on the epic link. And here you see all the stories associated with this epic, and also it shows how much percentage of it is done. So if this one is done, it's not done, 50% done. Very useful. But let's assume that to link to a story, you don't remember what stories are part of this epic, and you just want to find where the epic is and all the stories associated with this. Now we need to do go a little bit advanced. You click on the search, you go to advanced issue search, and there are multiple ways we can do it. First, let's switch to basic if you don't see basic, and then we can click on type, we can click on epic, and here we go. We'll see all the epics, then you can click on it, and you can also see all the stories. But what if in this search, I want to just see as stories and not an epics? All the stories associated, so I can easily click on them. For that, it's a little bit more advanced, but you switch to jQuery language. It says issue type equal epic order by created descending. Well, if you want to see all the stories, you say issue type equals story and epic link equal, epic link. It auto completes very well, equal. And then it will show you which epic, so to link to a story, and you click search. So it easily auto-completes everything, and now you have 2 stories assigned to this epic. You can see them, you could click on them, and it's very easy way to do it. Issue type equals story, and epic link equals DAKT6, which is my epic, order by created descending. So guys, those are 3 ways you can search for epics and stories inside of those epics. And this is how you can see all the stories associated with epic. If you are super confused, there are a couple of ways I can help. Way number 1 is I have a JIRA course. You can go in the show notes and check it out. And I'll go there very detailed from basic to advanced how to use JIRA. I also have a consultation hours for me and sometimes with my team members. You can click on the calendar link and schedule consultation, and we will help you out. And then if you need to set up JIRA in your company, I'll help you with Agile. We also do that. Go to defineagile.com, schedule a consultation. Let's see how we can help you. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next one. Bye-bye.